Are you a small team eyeing Follow Up Boss but scratching your head over call, text, and email pricing? Let's break down exactly what you'll pay for those communication features. First, Follow Up Boss itself operates on a per-month subscription model. The core platform fee gives you access to most of the CRM features. But communication costs are extra, so the monthly fee listed on the site does not include the cost of actually contacting leads. For calls, Follow Up Boss integrates with third-party services like Twilio or CallRail. This means you'll need an account with one of these providers, and their pricing will dictate your call costs. Typically, you'll pay per minute for outbound calls and incoming calls, with rates varying based on the phone number you're calling and your Twilio or CallRail plan. Text messaging also works through these third-party integrations. You'll pay per SMS segment, and the cost can vary depending on the length of the message and the recipient's location. Keep an eye on those longer texts, as they can quickly add up. Emails are a bit different. Follow Up Boss allows you to connect your existing email accounts, like Gmail or Outlook. Sending emails through these connected accounts doesn't incur extra charges from Follow Up Boss itself, but be mindful of your email provider's sending limits to avoid any issues. To estimate your costs, track your team's average monthly calls, texts, and email volume. Then, check the pricing pages of Twilio or CallRail for specific call and text rates. This will give you a clearer picture of your potential communication expenses on top of the Follow Up Boss subscription. Knowing these extra costs upfront helps you budget accurately and make informed decisions about leveraging Follow Up Boss for your small team. Now you can use Follow Up Boss more efficiently.